Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of gaming smartphones with the brand new RedMagic 9 Pro Global version 5G. This powerhouse promises to take your mobile gaming experience to the next level. Let's get started. The RedMagic 9 Pro boasts a stunning 6.8-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2480 by 1116 pixels. The colors are vibrant, and the 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth gameplay. Plus, the 960Hz touch sampling rate means your inputs are instantaneously recognized. The design is sleek and modern, available in Cyclone, Snowfall, and Sleet versions, with the Cyclone and Snowfall versions featuring colorful RGB lights. The phone feels premium in hand with its glass material and smooth rear panel. Under the hood, the RedMagic 9 Pro is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage for the Sleet version, and 16GB of RAM with 512GB of storage for the Cyclone and Snowfall versions. This combination ensures you can run any game at max settings without breaking a sweat. The upgraded ICE 13.0 Magic cooling system, with its 10-layer cooling and built-in turbofan, keeps the device cool even during intense gaming sessions. Battery life is another standout feature. The RedMagic 9 Pro packs a massive 6500 mAh battery that supports 80-watt fast charging. You can go from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. With up to 56 hours of battery life, you can game, stream, and browse to your heart's content without worrying about running out of juice. For photography enthusiasts, the RedMagic 9 Pro features a versatile AI quad camera setup. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel Samsung GN5 sensor, complemented by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 16-megapixel under-display front camera. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or snapping selfies, the RedMagic 9 Pro delivers exceptional image quality with fast autofocus and great detail. In terms of connectivity, this phone is a beast. It supports 5G SA plus NSA, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and even has a 3.5mm headphone jack. The dual speakers with DTS Ultra certification provide immersive sound quality, perfect for gaming and media consumption. The RedMagic 9 Pro also comes with highly responsive 520Hz shoulder triggers, customizable RGB lighting, and the latest RedMagic OS 9.0 based on Android 13, offering a seamless and customizable gaming experience. So, is the RedMagic 9 Pro the ultimate gaming phone of 2024? With its top-tier specs, innovative cooling system, and stunning display, it certainly makes a strong case. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just someone who loves cutting-edge tech, this phone has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of the RedMagic 9 Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.